this is Hans, and it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something from Mexico. This is the second of 2 boxes that came from Nissin Foods Mexico the other day. Let's crack this one open and see what's inside. Alright, well that's a little too big to fit under here, so let's have a look at this. So in the last one we saw the spicy shrimp variety. This one is the hot wings flavored variety. I should note that one of my favorite varieties from Mexico, if not my favorite thus far, is the Alitas Hot Wings by Nissin cup noodle. So, actually no, my favorite is their gourmet caldo de camarón, that's right, but this one is supposed to be the same flavor as that Alitas hot one that's in a cup, and if it is, this is gonna have like some of the best grilled chicken flavor around. Really excited about that. And they sent me 12 of these. Wow, that's a lot of yakisoba bowls, cool. And to round out the Nissin UFO Mexico range, we have their beef teriyaki flavor. So yes, there's a spicy shrimp, a beef teriyaki, and a hot wings. And of this one, of course, they sent 12 of these as well. Wow. Not only that, I looked in the bottom of the box and I found some stickers. Shut up. Cool. And they sent 12 of those too. They really like the number 12. Wow, well hey, thank you very much to the folks down at Nissin Mexico for sending these along. I'm really looking forward to giving them a try. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.